Hi and welcome to the short tutorials. In this video I will show you how you can fix your Snapchat if it's glitching. So if you are facing problem of not opening your Snapchat or not opening your streaks or the snaps, anything, so watch this video till the end and follow the same procedure. So if you are facing this type of the problem, so first of all you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the Snapchat here. Once you will search for the Snapchat, you will see update option. So you have to update your Snapchat from here. Maybe you are not using the updated version of the Snapchat, so it's giving the problem. Other way is that simply go to the settings, and here you have to search for the apps and the notification, and from here you have to search for the Snapchat and open it. So this is the settings of the Snapchat. So go to this storage and the cache and clear the storage and try to log into your Snapchat, and your problem will be fixed. So if your problem will be fixed, drop in the comment, and if you have any question you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.